welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays. Hope you enjoyed my last video where I showed you guys how to make gingerbread parfaits. Now to surprise you guys with a gingerbread holiday double feature, I'm going to be showing you how to create the classic gingerbread cookies. I'm also going to be showing you guys how I decorated my cookies. You can follow along with me or make them your own. That's one of the best things about decorating cookies this time of year. You can totally make them your own. You can make them as sugary, as festive, as colorful as you like. And don't worry if you have too many cookies left over. You can give them out to your friends, family, and of course, Santa Claus. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. So let's get ready to make some gingerbread cookies. Put on our chef's coats. And let's get baking. To make these gingerbread cookies, you'll need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter softened, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1 egg, 1/2 cup of molasses, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 cup of ground ginger. To get started, whisk together the flour, cinnamon, cloves, and baking soda in a separate bowl, then set it off to the side. In an electric mixer, beat the butter until creamy. Then add in the sugar and mix until combined. Next, add the vanilla, molasses, and egg, then mix together. Finally, it's time to add in the ginger and dry ingredients. Remove it from the mixer, cover it up with plastic wrap, and let the dough chill in the refrigerator for 3 hours or overnight until it is easy to handle. When you're ready to start making your gingerbread cookies, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly flour your surface and roll the dough until it is 1/8 of an inch thick. Take the cookie cutters of your choosing and have fun cutting out your festive cookies. Lay them on a lightly greased cookie sheet or a sheet with a silicone mat. Then place them in the oven for 5 to 6 minutes or until the edges are firm and the bottom of the cookies are lightly browned. Once they are all done, place them on a wire rack to cool before decorating. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit that notification button so you know what the next video is. Also, share this video with your friends and family this holiday season and tell them to subscribe as well. It is totally free to do so, and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had an absolute blast decorating these gingerbread cookies, and I hope you do as well. If you make gingerbread cookies this holiday season or recreate any of the other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. Hope everyone is staying safe and well, enjoy your gingerbread cookies, and have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Bye!